Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, we are going to see how to optimize Windows 10 computer and laptop for gaming. So let's start the video. First, keep at least 20% of your C drive free to ensure games run smoothly. This is your first step. Now move on to the next step. Update your operating system and update your graphic driver as well. So to update your graphic driver, just right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option device manager. So these are the drivers I have in my system. Click on this option display adapters, expand this option, and this will show you your graphic driver. Just right click on it, then click on update driver, then click on search automatically. So this will update your graphic driver. The next thing you can do is update your operating system as well. Now move on to the next step. Click on this Windows icon. After that, click on settings. Now here, click on this gaming option. Now on the left side, click on this option game mode. So you have to enable this game mode. After that, click on this captures option. On the right side, you will see this option background recording. So you have to disable this background recording. Now go back. Click on this system option. After that, on the left side, click on power and sleep. On the right side, click on additional power setting. Select balance, and after that, click on change plan setting. Click on this option, change advanced power settings. And here you will see this kind of window, power options. So you have to select high performance, then click on apply, then click on OK. So you have to select high performance on your power plan. Now move on to the next step. On the left side, click on this option storage. After that, on the right side, you have to enable this storage sense option. So this will automatically free up the space. So you have to enable this option. After that, minimize this window and then click on this search box and type disk cleanup. You will see this result, disk cleanup. Click on it. Select your C drive, then click on OK. Now you have to tick all the options. So these are the temporary and unnecessary files in your system. So select all the options, then click on OK. Then click on delete files. So this will delete all the temporary and unnecessary files from your system. Now move on to the next step. Disable all the startup and background applications. So for this, right click on the taskbar, then click on task manager. Now here, click on this option startup, and this will show you all the startup applications you have. So you have to disable all the startup applications by right click on it, then select disable. So you have to disable all the startup applications. After that, cut this window, open settings, and here you have to go to this option privacy. Now here on the left side, scroll down and you will see this option background apps. Click on it. Now on the right side, you will see these are the background applications which are currently running. So you have to disable all the background applications as well. Now cut this window. Now move on to the next step. Use an Ethernet cable for online gaming to reduce lag issues. If your PC or your laptop is working very slow, in that case, you can set your PC for the best performance. For this, click on this search box, and here you have to type view advanced system settings. You will get this result, view advanced system settings. Click on it. After that, click on this advanced tab. In the performance column, click on settings, and here you will see this option, performance option. There are 4 options available. So you have to select the third one, adjust for best performance. So this will disable all the animations. Click on apply, click on OK, click on OK. So these are the few steps you can apply. This is all for the video. Thank you.